I'm C.B. Williamson, MD. I'm a general orthopedic surgeon in Port Orange and Daytona. The majority of my practice is adult reconstructive with total hips, total knees, some total shoulders, sports medicine, elbow conditions, wrist conditions, hand conditions, some problems with the feet. I've always been interested in bones. My grandfather was a general surgeon. He exposed me to surgery and to the trauma clinics, and I was able to see operations when I was 11. I don't think you'd be able to get away with that nowadays. It was always fascinating to me. After finishing up my orthopedic residency, I started practice here in Daytona. Been chief of surgery at Daytona Community Hospital. Then I was chief of orthopedics at Halifax, chief of surgery at Halifax. This is a community that I grew up in. I've taken care of people who I went to school with, people who are neighbors. As Florida Orthopaedic is coming into the new Smyrna Beach, Port Orange, South Daytona, and Daytona markets, then they need to have somebody here who's able to have similar values and philosophy of care, taking care of patients who are your neighbors, your friends. I plan to continue trying to make the community better and serve the community as I have in the past. The idea of what we do as a profession is to try to get people back to as normal as possible and be able to function normally without having to think about what their problem was in the past. It's very gratifying to see people getting back to their normal activities without pain, without the disability that they had. It's what I went into medicine for, really, to really help the patients more than anything else.